My dear students, today I would like to teach you how to solve the problems of neet in wave motion in a just super simple way. You can't imagine that how can you solve the problem so simply. Let us see here now. So he is asking us to find out the equation of a wave. By just giving two values, you have to frame the equation of a wave. How can you find that? He has given the wavelength as 2 pi and he has given the frequency as 1 by pi. Then let us see ahead. So what is this wavelength? How can you find out the wave equation by using this? You know the general form of writing the wave equation is y is equal to a sine kx minus omega t. This is going to be your general form of writing an equation. But neither he has given k, neither he has given omega in the question. But indirectly he has given the value of k, he has given the value of omega. Let us find out how. So for that, you know that wavelength is 2 pi. So you can write k is equal to 2 pi by lambda as a general formula. Instead of wavelength, you can write here wavelength as 2 pi. So 2 pi divided by 2 pi is going to be 1. So we got the value of omega as 1. So how can you find out the value of k as 1? You can find out the value of omega also. How can you find out the value of omega? So omega is nothing but 2 pi n. Okay, so he has given n as 1 by 2 pi. So you can write this is 2 pi into 1 by pi. So n is 1 by pi. Yeah, pi gets cancelled. So we got the value of omega as 2. That's it. You can just substitute here. But you just remember one thing, that he has given the value of amplitude as 1. So just right now you can frame an equation. Just see y is equal to a sine, and instead of a we can write out 1 here. Okay, this is 1 sine kx. K is 1, so directly you can write x, and omega is 2, so minus 2 into t. Your answer is ready, x minus 2t. Let us go for the next equation. Next equation, he has given the two equations here also. So let us go ahead what he has given. So he has given that y1 is equal to a sine omega t plus kx plus 0.57. This 0.57 is considered as phi 1, phase angle. It is phase angle. So general formula of writing the equation is a sine omega t plus kx plus phi 1. So phi 1 is ready with us. What is that phi 1? 0.52. That is 0.57. How can you find out the phase angle for the second equation, which is y2 is equal to a cos omega t minus kx. So you want to convert cos equation into sine equation, you have to add with pi by 2. Let us see what is going to get. So you can write now y2 is equal to a sine omega t plus kx plus pi by 2. That's it. Okay, if you want to change an equation of cos into sine, you need to add pi by 2. That's it, because sine omega t plus 90, sine omega t plus 90 is going to be cos 90. Sine omega t plus theta, okay, sine omega t or sine theta plus pi by 2 is going to be cos theta. That's what you have to change this angle of sine into cos, or cos into sine, by just adding pi by 2. But what is this pi by 2? This is going to be your phase angle, isn't it? This is going to be your phase angle. Then what is the phase angle for phi 2? Phi 2 is nothing but pi by 2, which is 3.14 divided by 2, which is going to be 1.57. So we got phase angle phi 1, we got phase angle phi 2, and he's asking us to find out the phase difference. It's so simple that you can find out the phase difference as delta phi is going to be phi 2 minus phi 1, which is 1.57 minus 0.57 is going to be 1 radian. So your answer is ready. So first option is going to be your answer. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.